Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide any home screen pages in iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So I have different pages, so you can see here. So these are called home screen pages. So in order to hide any home screen pages in iPhone or iPad devices, what you need to do is just tap and hold on any blank area of your home screen. Now you can see here three dot icons, just tap on it. Now just untick the respective home screen pages that you want to hide. Say I want to hide this second page, so I have unticked it. So once you have unticked the respective home screen pages that you want to hide, you can see on the above done, just click on it. So now if I swipe it, my respective home screen pages is being hidden. So if you want to unhide it again, just tap and hold on the blank area of the home screen again, and once again click on this two dot icons, and now just select the respective home screen pages that you want to unhide again, and after that just click on done. Now if I swipe the home screen pages, now the respective home screen pages that is being hidden is unhide again. So by using this method, you can easily hide any home screen pages in iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.